start your day with coffee, you check your phone, review your account balance, and your expectations your balance is at zero. Well, I just want to let you know that you can actually change that routine. Here is make money online very easily and effectively money making methods, and I'm gonna teach you. In matter of seconds you get to do tasks and make as much as $76 every time you click on buttons, and guess what? You can earn this huge amount of money over and over again. With no limit here, my friends, so if you want to add some flavor to your life and make steps in achieving financial freedom, then say hello to this premier method of earning that stacks of cash online. There's only one thing that you should do, and that is to watch this video all throughout. Make sure to never skip ahead, so that you will fully grasp and understand all the steps that will be done in this method. The first website that I'm going to show you is Amazon. Go to Amazon.com and search books. Here you can see that books are sold on Amazon. And most of these books are audible, meaning that they are audio books. And I'm going to show you how you can make money from books as a narrator. But don't worry, because you won't be recording yourself. Please keep watching the video to see how it works. Go to this website called acx.com. So this is a website where you are paid as a narrator. And those books will be sold on Amazon and other platforms. So how does it work? Step 1. Create a profile. Sign up on ACX and create a profile that details your acting and audiobook experience. Step 2. Upload samples. Tag an unlimited number of samples in your profile, based on accents, genre, and style. The more audio samples you include, the easier it is for authors to find you. Step 3. How do you want to get paid? Choose a per finished hour rate, or choose to share 50% of royalties. If you're unsure, choose both. Step 4. Audition. Search for books you're interested in narrating and producing, and record a few minutes of the manuscript. If you're the rights holder's top choice, you'll receive an offer. Step 5. Accept the offer. When a rights holder makes you an offer, agree on delivery dates for the first 15 minutes of audio and the final audiobook, and payment terms. Step 6. Start recording. Record, edit, and upload the 15-minute checkpoint of the audiobook, which the rights holder will approve or provide feedback. When the sample is approved, record the remainder of the project. Step 7. Work with other studio professionals. To create a professional audiobook, you may want the guidance of other audiobook experts. If you need to hire one or more, we have independent contractor agreements you may use. Step 8. Finish the recording. Upload each completed chapter of the audiobook to meet our audio submission requirements and production standard terms. Before payment, the rights holder must approve the full audiobook and has the right to request changes. Step 9. Get paid. If you and the rights holder agreed on a pay-for-production fee, you will be paid directly by the rights holder. If you produced the audiobook as a royalty share deal, then you'll be paid based on 50% of the royalties on sales. Step 10. Come back for more. ACX has tons of books waiting to be turned into audiobooks, so keep auditioning. If you're highly experienced narrator with at least 25 audiobook credits, apply to be an Audible approved producer. So now you can sign up. Then let me show you the last website to help you earn money. It is called Naturalreaders Com. This website changed text to speech. Meaning that you will be copying the script and the website will read for you, and all you have to do is downloading the audio and submitting to ACX. So that's pretty much it. Please like this video, share, and subscribe for more useful videos.